The all-new Porsche 911 Cabriolet celebrates its public premiere at the Geneva Motor Show. Looking instantly recognizable, the 911 Cabriolet features an automatic soft top with a lightweight structure that has magnesium bows to prevent ballooning of the roof at high speed. The roof also features an integrated glass rear window. At launch, the 911 Cabriolet will be offered exclusively in Carrera S and Carrera 4S guise. Both feature a twin-turbo 3.0-litre flat-six engine that develops 443 horsepower, 530 Nm of torque. The 2020 Porsche 911 Cabriolet will be launched later this year and the company is currently accepting pre-orders. In the United States, pricing starts at $126,100 for the Carrera S Cabriolet and $133,400 for the 4S variant.